Good afternoon, it's Gary from IronFind.ca coming to you from the lower mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2006 Peterbilt 379 highway tractor. It has 1,730,028 kilometers, a Cat C15 engine, 475 horsepower, and 1,650 torque. It does have a jake brake and full diff locks. It has a 13-speed Eaton-Fuller transmission, RTLO 16913A. The front axle rating is 20,000 pounds on E1202W on spring suspension, and the rear axle rating is 40,000 pounds on DSP41 on air suspension. The rear axle ratio is 336. The front tires are 11R22.5 as well as the rear, and they're new tires all the way around. The rims are aluminum inside and out. The wheelbase is 244 inches. It has twin fuel tanks, both 135 US gallons, and a 65-inch single sleeper. The CVI is valid till February 2015. There was complete in-frame done in 2014, and there's approximately 70,000 kilometers on the new rebuild. As I mentioned, it has new tires all the way around. It has a new radiator, water pump, and dryer in February 2014. The unit was used for hauling flatbeds through eastern United States. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit, then I'm going to come up close for a tight inspection. The unit has been very well maintained. It's a dark blue color, twin exhaust. First look, the unit appears to be in great condition. Let's come up close and take a tighter look. And let's come up to the bumper here. Follow that along. The grill is in good shape. And on the driver's side. Down here in the passenger side of the unit. Looks to be in very good condition. Let's take a look at the hood. I see a little bit of damage here at the fender, right there. And the step up on the passenger side is nice and level. And the cab looks in pretty good condition. There is some paint delamination right there. The mirrors are in good condition. The antenna is missing, but it is available. He is putting it back on. And the air cleaner, there's no dents in here. Let's take a look at the cab from the outside. And the condition of the cab looks to be pretty good, or the sleeper rather. And I do see a dent here on the fuel tank, right here. Let's go to the back of the unit. You will notice the access steps and the access deck are missing. They are just being repaired and they will be put back on the unit. So we have air ride assist here. Let's come up between axles 2 and 3. We'll just come behind here. can see the rubber's in perfect shape here. You can refer to the photos for that. Get a good look at the suspension. And let's come to the rear of the unit. And we're on the driver's side of the unit. Let's do the same thing, come between axles 2 and 3. And let's pan the sleeper here. Appears to be in good condition. We'll just go down the cab. Steps are nice and level. Let's check out the mirror here. That's in good condition. And let's look at the hood here. I'm taking a close look at the fender on this side. I'm seeing a couple of minor little dents. I'm going to take a look at the inside of the cab now. It's very clean. Let's come up on the panel. Everything appears to be in very good shape. There's a rip in the passenger seat. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. It looks to be fairly new. It has been replaced. It's in good condition. And let's take a look here in the back. There's always a lack of light in the sleepers. Whatever you can't see, you will be able to refer to the photos. Appears to be nice and clean. Everything's in order in here. I'm just taking a look at the windshield, and both panes are in good condition. No chips or cracks or pits at all. Let's start up the unit. Let's take a look under the hood. have it, another good piece of iron from IronFind.ca. Thanks for watching.